I think, did Jesus live or die? I just stand and boldly tell them what I think and why. Well, you can go down to a manger in a town of Bethlehem and try to find a baby Jesus, but you won't be lying there. Walk the Via Dolorosa to a hill called Calvary. Look for the Lord and you will find him hanging on a tree. And you can go down to a garden where sees a borrowed tomb. Take a look inside and all you'll find is just an empty room. Jesus died but he's not dead, and he's coming one more time. He's alive, he's alive, he's alive. Many people share opinion about the life of Christ. Some believe that Jesus never lived. There are those who say that he was just an ordinary man, and others say that he was just a man. I don't care, just laugh the words, stay back and criticize. Praise the Lord, the truth does not depend upon their life. Well, you can go down to a manger in a town of Bethlehem and try to find a baby Jesus, but he won't be lying there. Walk the Via Dolorosa to a hill called Calvary. Look for the Lord and you will find him hanging on a tree. And you can go down to a garden where sees a borrowed tomb. Take a look inside and all you'll find is just an empty room. Jesus died but he's not dead, and he's coming one more time. He's alive, he's alive, he's alive. Well, you can go down to a manger in a town of Bethlehem and try to find a baby Jesus, but they won't be lying there. Via Dolorosa to a hill called Calvary. Look for the Lord and you will find him hanging on a tree. And you can go down to a garden where sees a borrowed tomb. Take a look inside and all you find is just an empty room. Jesus died but he's not dead, and he's coming one more time. He's alive, he's alive, he's alive. Jesus died but he's not dead, and he's coming one more time.